Look in the back of it. It's got a cabinet hanging from the ceiling. It's rounded.
Oh, that leather, the diamond leather. Dude, did you not see the thing over top of the driver's seat too?
Yeah, the problem is I get that whole piece out and it's rotten.
That stainless is fucking sick. Those are great colors on that van. Is it really?
Yeah. Chain guard isn't broken, which they all break.
They always snap because they're so thin.
She looks pretty fucking rough.
Whatever, man.
Fucking rad as fuck.
There we go. No, we're hooked again. Go back up. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yep. That's
Best thing in the world.
Good spot for you.
Or a knockoff of an Oakley B1B grip. Like from back in the day, if they were Oakley B1B grips, it'd be $500. Yeah, they're not worth fuck all, but it's cool. I'll take this. It's crazy that this isn't broken.
I know, because it's so thin.
Chain guard, it's like this should always.
Yep.
Yeah, rock and roll. I gotta start coming back here again. They're more water.
That's
Sal.
I had that on my first bike too. My daughter got them.
That's amazing.
Works! Hold on. Actually, this one, Max's one. When,
Fuck, I love Chuck so much.
I can't ride this.
I wish it was nicer, but I'm happy with it. What'd you find, Dylan? Yes.
And it's cut switches.
Fuel pump, ignition.
Yeah.
Finding a bunch of stuff. There's the odd little thing in here. Definitely not that boat, that's for sure.
Yeah, both.
This is run out west, you said?
Yep.
So Mo was the one that gave Mel's ashes and the rings to Clay with the wish that the rings were thrown in the lake and as ashes. So the idea was to shoot him out of the tailpipe and apparently snort him like fucking cocaine too. Lauren goes, "You think we could have walked around with him in something better than a Ziploc bag?" I was like, "Yeah, you're probably right."
Probably right. Like a Tupperware container would have been better.
Live on Leg Kings TV, Brandon, what are we doing? Blaming Mel.
The great one last time.
Yes. Who's better than Mel?
Nobody! Actually, I know quite a few people. Everybody was having a nice time until Meg showed up.
Hey, I thought you were doing funnel cake.
I love it, brother.
It's all about the moments in between, boys. It's all about the moments in between.
Take a scooter. Yeah, you got it.
Are you
Just
sure
don't
guys?
put one in the front so it wants to pop.
Yeah, you're right.
It's almost a unicycle.
Yeah, you gotta lean your way forward.
Yeah, you put your weight.
And the back, right? So it's all done.
I just got gutted. All right, who else is up for next?
Carlos, I know. Are we supposed to help?
We're supposed to. We were just here for emotional support.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what. What support? There's support system, right? No. Don't be funny.